Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, bed liner, compass, trip computer. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.